Back with another video. Moo is in the back, as y'all can see. She probably gonna start talking to y'all in a second. I hope she doesn't, so I can get this intro filmed. But there it goes. But as y'all can see, we are out right now. I'm about to actually go. Sorry, y'all, the camera fell as usual. But I'm about to actually go to Home Depot. I want to get some plants to put in my home. And then I need to go to Michael's and just run to a few stores. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. It's just gonna be like a spend the day with me type of vlog. I have not recorded in so I'm lying. I haven't uploaded a video in so long. I have been recording and trying to get videos for y'all constantly, but something always happens. Like, we were supposed to go on a trip last week and we ended up not going. So then we went this past weekend on a trip, but we were so busy and just having so much fun, I didn't even have time to really pick up my phone. So like, I literally have like 5 clips maybe, and the clips are like 2 minutes long. So yeah, so with that being said, I didn't get that or whatever. We just went to the beach, like a little family trip or whatever. Maybe going somewhere this weekend, me and my friend, but I'm going to see. You know, plans is always changing. People are very, you know, inconsistent when it comes to plans, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Hopefully it ends up playing out so I can record for y'all. Yeah, but y'all probably like, girl, what car you in now? I'm always in a different car. But when we went to the beach this past weekend, my mom and dad, they rented a car. It's just the 20, I don't know if it's a 19 or 2020. I haven't even checked, but it's a Honda Accord. And I have y'all sitting right there in the dash. So instead of them taking it right back, I was like, let me pay to keep it for a little bit. And y'all can take my car out. Y'all know I love driving different cars. So that's what I'm doing. But right now I'm just heading out here to Home Depot. Okay, y'all, so I gotta sit y'all right here because this is like the only place that it'll stay. I know this is really ratchet. Like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to a Walmart now so I can get my light bulbs. And I'm gonna get Moo some milk. I don't know how I went in there and forgot the milk. But yeah, I gotta get her some milk. And then, there was one more thing. Moo, what was it? Oh, eggs. That's what we're gonna get. I already placed my order with Target because I put some stuff in my cart last night and then I just like forgot to buy it. So I placed that. It said like within 4 hours, but they're gonna email me anyway. So I placed it at 3:14, I think it was. It's 4:03 now. So we're gonna see what's shopping, okay? We're gonna see what's shopping, okay? Yeah, because I ain't never did the Target pickup thing, so we're gonna see about it. So yeah, we about to go right here to Walmart and get this stuff. I'm gonna give me some gas because Weeze is on E. Weeze is on E. I'm gonna still turn because it's yellow. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. No, I didn't say E, Moo. I said we on E. And then yeah, I'm about to pick up this stuff. I'm gonna see if they got some lawn chairs while I'm up in here at Walmart. I said I didn't want to go here to Walmart, but I'm already here, so why not? I'm gonna see if they got those. And so I'm gonna get my bald head friend to come up here and pick them up. And then, cause like he literally lives 2 minutes from this Walmart. Not even 2 minutes, like a minute and a half, a minute. See, I'm gonna pick these up if they got them, and yeah. Ooh, I'm about to park right here. I'm about to back up into this parking spot. Yep. Somebody better not come behind me because I will definitely hit you. Move out the way. Thank God for backup cameras because a chick cannot drive. Yeah, girl. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yeah, we in there. Go a little bit this way. Yeah, it works. Whatever. Who cares? So yeah, I'm about to run up in here. Check this out. Then I'm gonna go home, get all this stuff in the house, wait for Target to email me. Hopefully they email me while I'm out instead of when I get right back to the house, because I already know. I feel like it's gonna be a soon. Oh, all of them got some long pretty hair. Oh my god, yes, that is gorgeous. So yeah, we about to go in here and get all this. Y'all gotta get some of this. It's called Sugared Citrus Flavored Lip Gloss, and it's by Victoria's Secret. I love this lip gloss. It's like soft. I don't know how to explain it. It's not sticky. It's really soft. But you don't need no lip gloss. Mommy need lip gloss because she got bad lips. You ain't got no bad lips. Yeah. Cutie pootie. So yeah, we about to go up and chill. And I'm gonna talk to y'all. How much was our stuff at Harris Teeter Move? $130. So yeah. But yeah, so we about to go up in here and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get out, okay? Okay? Is my lash coming up? My lashes coming up. Oh well, it'll be okay. Yeah, so B's back, y'all. B's back. Okay, y'all, so I got your sitting like right here. I don't know how long it's gonna stay right here. And I'm about to go over the train check. Mom, stop fussing. Why you fuss? You wanna talk? Say hey. But yeah, I got y'all sitting right here, and also so I ain't gotta hold it because you know that's unsafe or whatever. Ooh, don't fall. Ooh, it didn't fall. Bloop, we lit. But yeah, so we on the way home. Actually, we almost home in like 5 minutes maybe. I don't know if I told y'all a little bit ago that I placed the order with Target. I'm waiting on this. Yeah, I think I did tell you that. I'm waiting on that to be ready so I can go get that. But in the meantime, I'm about to go home and clean up because woo, the house is a mess. I got me a rug. Can y'all see that? Y'all can't see it, so I ain't even gonna show y'all. Because it's going in the place. Why are you fussing? You're mad? Why you mad? Yeah, I can't wait to make this pasta, y'all. This pasta is about to be a schmack-a-doodle. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. A schmack-a-doodle. SHAMACKADOODLE. Schmack-a-doodle. Yeah. You respelled it for me? Thank you. And that's just that on that. Okay, y'all. So, I got Moo a bottle. Here, take that. And we about to, they just now emailed me and told me that my order was ready at Target. Didn't I tell y'all they was going to do that? They was going to wait right until I got in the house and say that. So now we about to head to Target. I need to notify them on the app that I'm on my way. And then I got to notify them again once I get there. Put those back. We're going to eat those when we get back. Okay, baby? Okay. There got my bottle of water. Let's go. Go to the door. I got this. Go to the door. Ooh, let's change your butt real quick. Come on. Let's change your diaper. Where you pull it. Ah, my shoe. Come on. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to talk to y'all when I get in the car. I need to hook the phone up to the charger so I can record when I'm cooking. Yeah, so give me a sec. Come here, baby. Hey guys, so I just now picked up my Target order. I'm going to show y'all what I got. I got me a blue AirPod case right there. I need me another one. Since I found both of them, I needed to get one. And then I got me an iPhone pink case. Can y'all see that? Yep. Girl, get on my face. Thank you, weirdo. Thanks, weirdo. I hate people. Then I got me a green AirPod case. That was cute. I got me another case for my phone. Right there. That was case mate. I got me a little plant. It's a fake plant right there. It's so cute to me. And then, y'all, I wanted this so bad, so I had to get it. When I seen Kyla Shay's video, I had to give me one. Because I hate boiling eggs. So I got me a little egg maker. Yes, and I can't wait to use this. I'm using it, like, in the morning. Yeah. Super excited. So, yeah, that's all I picked up. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back home. I need to take some medicine. Like, my throat is trying to hurt. Yeah, it's been hurting all morning. Not really hurt. I'm just like hoarse and I just feel like I'm getting sick. So no, I don't think I have the Rona no more. But I better not get it again. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna be so hot, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back. Peace. So, oh, listen to my voice. But yes, I just now got back home. I'm about to. Y'all don't judge me. I need to shave my arms. That's ratchet. But anyways, I just now got back home. I'm about to put this little one right here to sleep. And then I'm going to start cooking. And then I'm going to put my plants together like how I want them. But I'm kind of thinking, I didn't even look for chairs when I went to Walmart. But I'm kind of thinking about just doing it tonight. Like turning on my little porch light. And then putting the camera on my tripod. And then like trying to do it that way. We'll see how that works. But yeah, I'm about to go in the house, put her to sleep. I'm probably going to end up falling asleep when I'm trying to put her to sleep. Hopefully I don't though. Even if I do, I'm going to set my alarm. I think I'm going to set my alarm now just in case I do fall asleep. So I can get back up at like 7 probably. We'll see. But yeah. You ready to take a nap? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. So we'll see how long it takes me to get her to sleep. So I'll talk to y'all after that. Okay guys, so I started cooking, but I'm gonna link Kyle Lachey's video down below so y'all can see what I did, because I did exactly what she did pretty much. We use different seasonings, but we still do it the same thing. Yeah, I was trying to do a cook with me, but then I had company. Okay y'all, so I dumped the water out because it was like water in there, whatever. I dumped that out. My crab cake, I just tasted a little piece. It's really good. The salmon is still sitting right there. The pasta is right here. The shrimp through there. And I'm about to put this Texas toast on. And like I said, don't mind my nails. That's hair dye. But yeah. Once I finish this, I'm gonna be done, and I'm gonna do a little taste test, and then I'm gonna smack. And yeah. Okay, y'all. First of all, do not judge me because yes, I love paper plates. If I was to ever come to y'all's house and y'all got paper plates, I'm gonna eat off a paper plate because I don't like doing dishes. And I don't want you to do dishes either. But yeah, so we got the pasta with the salmon and then the crab cake, and then we got some bread right here. And yeah, I had to stop recording so I can turn the camera around because y'all know I record on my phone. But anyways, I'm about to eat this food. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I'm Rosebud out. I just also wanted to say thank you for all my new family members. And we just need to keep growing and keep flourishing and keep being beautiful. All right, y'all, so I'll talk to y'all soon. I promise y'all. Peace out.